Welcome back to Social Work Herald. Good morning to everyone. Last time we have discussed the burnout and we have explained to you why burnout. Now this video we would like to tell you how to prevent burnout or how to manage burnout. Burnout is almost an essential component, but we can avoid it. There are many aspects of burnout: physical, emotional, social, spiritual. So we have to take multi-pronged approach to beat out the burnout. First of all, you have to be very, very careful about one of the most important aspects of your life, self-care. Nothing can be better than the self-care. So, self-care we all do, we all claim, but it is not complete unless you plan it. So let us plan the self-care. Self-care means taking care of your own needs, emotions, moods, appearance, thinking process in a systematic manner. Appearance, like personality, we say that physical appearance is a personality. No. Physical appearance is one part. Similarly, to beat the burnout, your appearance is one part. Look great, care yourself. If I will tell you some small things, you will laugh. Comb your hair, care for your clothes. Overall, you have to care for your appearance. Once you look good to yourself, it increases your self-esteem. The whole issue is that once you feel from inside, yes, I am presentable to my social world, it gives you more strength. So appearance is one. We remember it. The most important thing that you should be ready to accept that you can't control everything on this earth. No one. Control the things which can be. Leave the things which you cannot control. You cannot control your boss behavior, so leave it. Accept it. Acceptance is one first important aspect of the self-care. Once you do it, it helps you to search the proper ways and means for taking care of your emotions. Most of the burnout is because of the workload. This we believe. So we are always complaining that my workload is too much. Necessary part is not workload. It is a balance between work, rest and play. Most of us have forgotten to play. Most of us have also do not know the ways of resting. So work versus rest versus play. These three has to be balanced in an equitable manner. You can't negate your work for the sake of rest or for the sake of play. Fine. You might have heard the old dictum, all the work, no play makes a jack a bad boy. So I will say, try to create the ways and means to take rest, to play. Nowadays, the biggest tool you have in your hand, the WhatsApp University or Reels or social media. But don't get addicted. Remember, that may damage your whole self-care plan. Sometime when you feel, you can take it. Music, listening music is very important. good activity for rest, and some physical play of whatever age you are. You can try to find out your interest, hobbies. Don't believe that hobby is only meant for the rich people. There can be hobbies for the middle class or lower class or any class or no class people also. So find out your hobbies, find out your interest, spend some time into that. It will help you to preventing and managing both burnout. There are some activities which helps you physically. Unknowingly, we don't drink water. Drink more water. At least 4 liters to 6 liters per day. That helps not to cool down you. It physically helps. Walk. If you are working 6 hours in a day or 8 hours in your office, after 1 hour work, take a stroll of 4 to 5 minutes. Stretch your hands, stretch your leg. Make it a part of your... I'm not asking you to do yoga and exercise immediately during your work hours. But you can do like this. Okay? You can do like this. You can do like this. And this will help you to recover, to get a new boost of energy. The entire game is of energy. So how to stop depleting energy and how to recreate energy, that is the whole idea. And these small exercises or a small act, if you make the part of your life, it will help you. So sleep well, try to create a diet. I am not saying that if you like chaat papdi, don't eat it, but in a balanced manner. So, certain things, your habits, eating habits, your movements, make movements, strolling, all this will help you. At home, you can do certain things in your lifestyle. Believe me, I added during Corona period and it helped me. Breathing exercise, popularly known as yoga, meditation. So do yoga for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever time you can, but do it. The entire life is dependent on the breathing. सांस का खेल है. जब तक सांस है, आस है, जीवन है. So if you learn to control your breath, it will help you. You will face less burnout, lesser and lesser. Another thing I will always tell my students, you are not my student, all viewers are not my student, but this is my general, mind your language. That helps, that should be the part of your self-care. It helps you. It helps you not to have the social burnout. I will not give a dictum that smile all the time and be friendly. No. But language is one. Many a times we unnecessarily use the abusing words in our vocabulary. Sometimes to express our friend that, look, I am too nearer to you. I can abuse you. I will not give those words here, but this is the reality. So have the decent language, decent terminology and dictionary. Last but not least, gratitude. Try to inculcate gratitude in your personality. For even smaller things, conveying your gratitude makes you a perfect person. It will help you to beat the burnout. There are many more methods. All I can't discuss within this 10 minutes video. So keep watching Social Work Herald. You will definitely find some important tips how to beat burnout and how to become more and more productive, meaningful and enjoying person. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Do write your comment in the comment box. That makes a sense to us. That helps us to take decisions. Namaskar.